If you're planning your IKEA PAX wardrobe, don't make these costly mistakes. Today I'm sharing the 3 most important things you need to consider before building your dream closet. These tips will help you save time, money, and frustration. So let's get into it. Measure and plan your space. First, measuring your space is absolutely critical. You need to know your room's exact height, width, and depth. PAX wardrobes come in different sizes, and even a small miscalculation can cause major headaches or mean you can't fit the wardrobe you want. Use IKEA's online PAX planner tool to map everything out before you buy anything. It lets you see how different modules, doors, and accessories will fit together. All you need to do is enter your measurements and start designing. I had so much fun doing this part, guys. I spent hours trying out different ideas, so just have fun with it. Think about ceiling height for top storage, and don't forget room for the doors to swing open if you're choosing hinge doors. If you're considering sliding doors, make sure there's enough space in front for easy access. And I think this is the most important tip of all. Do not overlook lighting. I can't stress this enough, guys. This was one of the biggest mistakes that I made when designing my IKEA PAX wardrobe. I regret it so much. Installing LED strips or lights inside your PAX wardrobe is so much easier during assembly. Waiting until after the wardrobe is built can be tricky or require drilling, so plan for it from the start. You can buy other battery-operated lights from places like Amazon, and they do the job quite nicely. But I feel they just don't cut it like the IKEA lights do. Plus, you have to keep taking them down to recharge, which can be a bit of a pain. Think about your storage needs. Next, think carefully about what you actually need to store. Are you mostly hanging clothes, folding items, shoes, handbags, or accessories? A mix of drawers, shelves, and hanging space usually works best. I love the pull-out drawers if you're storing things at the back, and these pull-out shoe racks are great if you have a lot of shoes to store. Now here's an important consideration. Open closets versus wardrobes with doors. Open closets look modern and make your items easy to access, but they show everything, so organization is key. Wardrobes with doors hide clutter and protect clothes from dust, but some accessories like pull-out trays, baskets, or hooks may not fit if you choose sliding doors, so it's crucial to plan around that. IKEA PAX has amazing accessories, pull-out trays, dividers, hooks, and shoe racks, but think carefully about which ones you can actually use depending on your door choice. Planning this in advance ensures you won't be limited later. You may start off with an open closet, but then want to add doors later, so just bear this in mind whilst planning. Some accessories aren't compatible with the doors. Again, lighting is key. If you have doors, interior lighting makes a huge difference so you can see everything clearly when you open them. And don't forget to install these lights whilst building. It's much harder afterwards. Plan for style and function. Finally, style and function go hand in hand. Decide between sliding doors, hinge doors, or an open concept. Sliding doors save space in smaller rooms, but can limit the type of interior accessories you can use. Hinge doors give full access but need clearance space. Open wardrobes are trendy and accessible, but require perfect organization to look neat. Think about door finishes and color. Mirror doors make a room feel bigger, while solid doors offer a clean, minimalist look. Lighting can't be stressed enough. It adds functionality and luxury. Installing LED strips, motion sensor lights, or puck lights during assembly ensures your wardrobe is fully usable and visually appealing. Remember, PAX is modular, so you can design your wardrobe to grow with your needs. Plan compartments for long garments, short garments, shoes, handbags, and accessories, so everything has a designated space. So those are the 3 crucial things to consider when planning your IKEA PAX wardrobe. Measure your space carefully, think about your storage needs and door style, and plan for both style and function. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, and comment below what's your dream PAX setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.